This microscope right here is amazing. You would not believe the detail that you can pick up with it. Its zoom is from 60X to 120X, and its focus is unbelievable. When I try to look at something under this, like let's say I was trying to read the writing on here, all I can see is just maybe a fraction of the ink on a letter. I mean, it's crazy. I'm going to try to show it to you guys. So anyway, what I would do is I set it down like this and I turn it on. And then I just have to look through it and focus it at the bottom right here. And I'm looking directly at the writing on this. So I'm going to see if I can show it to you. That is what it's picking up, which is just a little section of the lettering. Is that crazy? Let me show you what we're looking at. We're looking at just a little section of that. So this thing's great. I mean, I would highly recommend getting it. And then on top is this light. So when I press that, this light comes on, so you illuminate the field that you're looking at. And then up here, you just you can increase the focus. I had it on the smallest, on the 60. If I increased it, you wouldn't have seen anything. And then down here's where you focus on it. But that's it, yeah. I would highly recommend getting this. This thing rocks. The kids are gonna love it. Peace out.